Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today will be our first class of writing Huruf Tahajji. We will start from the right hand side and take broad lines copy or page. First we will write Alif Mad A. Right? First we will write Alif Mad A. Then in the same line we will write Alif. Leave one line. Now in the next line write B. Put a dot first and then start writing B. This is also called B ka khandan ya B ki family. B has one dot. Then comes, give a finger space. Okay, give a one finger space. Then write P. P has three dots. Again give a one finger space and write T. Then again give a one finger space, write T. And the last one is say. Now the B family has 5 members. B, P, T, T, say. Now we will introduce new family that is called Jeem family. Now we will write Jeem. First make a line. This is called a sleeping line, right? So, straight sleeping line. Okay, then we will go down and we will make a belly of Jeem, right? And that belly goes a little beyond down the line. Put one dot and this is Jeem. Now we will write same as Che. Che. And Che has 3 dots in belly. Now we will write He. He has no dot. So move on to the next is He. He. He has 1 dot on its head. Then leave one line. Next we will write Dal. Dal ka khandan. Dal family. Dal has no dot. Dal has a toy on its head. Zal. Dal has 3 family members. Dal, Dal, Zal. Now comes the Re family. Re. Okay, the way of writing grade A is that first put a straight line, then a little slanting that touches the line. Re. Z. Ye. Now the Re family completes. Now we will move on to the identicals. That is Seen. Okay. Sheen. Sheen has 3 dots on its head. And now comes the Swat, which is very, very difficult. Swat. Okay. And this is Zwat. First put a dot. Right? Put a dot on it. Make a circle. Make an oval. Okay. Go up and like this you are going to make Zwat. Okay. Next is Toe. Right? Toe. Start from here. Go straight and then a little slant. And now you will make a circle touching that slant. Toe. Straight and little slant and make a circle touching that slant. Zoe. Ain. Okay. The first semicircle of the Ain is a little slanting and one big semicircle, that is Ain. Now comes the Ghain. Small semicircle and a big semicircle. Ghain has a dot on it. Okay, first we are going to write Fe. First we will make a small circle and we will go down from the circle. Fe. Put a one dot on Fe. Now we will write Kaf. Same way, Kaf. We will make a circle and we will go down below the line. Stop. Kaf has two dots on it. Now the other Kaf. Start from this here. Go on a line. Now go a little up. Kaf. Now we will write Gaf in the same pattern. Gaf. Now the identicals are finished, right? Lam. Now we'll write Lam. It's very easy. Below the line and come up. Stop here. Meme. For the meme, make a small circle. Now start with the same circle. Meme. Come below the line. Now stop. Meme. La. Meme. Now comes the noon. Noon. Now comes Vav. Vav in the middle of the line. Ha. Now comes Hamza. Like Ain, make a small semicircle and a line, slanting line, touches the line. Chotiye and Badiye. Fe, Kaf, 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 Lam, Meme, Noon, Vav, Ha, Hamza, Chotiye और Badiye.